producers and guitarists, what if I told you there is a paid guitar effects plugin bundle called the Lifeline Light Bundle that is completely free but only for a limited time in 2025? In this video, I will show you how to grab it, demo what it sounds like, and tell you why this could be one of the best free VST deals you will get this year. So if that sounds interesting, let's jump right in. And when you get this plugin, it comes in two different types: the Lifeline Light console and the Lifeline Light Expanse. So we'll be starting with the Expanse, and as we progress, I'm going to show you that of the console. Welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX, and you're welcome to CoinX the Producer, where I bring you the best free and budget music production tools. So if you're new here, hit subscribe and ring the bell to not miss more giveaways and pro tips like this. Now, the Lifeline Light Bundle is from Excite Audio, a company known for innovative arm simulators. What exactly is Lifeline Light? It is a bundle of neural amplifier modeling guitar effects, including distortion, fuzz, and overdrive, designed to give you authentic, classic, and unique tones without needing expensive hardwares. This plugin is usually priced at around $39, but Excite Audio with Plugin Boutique offer this light bundle for free for a short time, making it an amazing deal for guitarists who want great tone without the cost. Now, listen to the crunchy distortion here, perfect for rock and blues. Then let's switch to the Fuzz model. Notice the warmth and texture it adds. And right over here, you can see this button to enable the master smooth, and this button right here to enable or disable the master safety. And right here, you will see the global mix knob to now set and blend in the amount of these effects that is going into your signal. Now, before we conclude, let's take a very quick look at the Lifeline Light console. And here is the Lifeline Light console. You can see the UI is different from that of the Expanse. Here you can see the preamp, the EQ, the comp, the mod, and the wear. I now leave it up to you to try it out and let us know what you think about it in the comments. The plugin's interface is clean and intuitive. You have easy gain, tone, and mix controls so you can shape your sound quickly and to the taste you are going for. So now you might ask, why get this plugin now? The reason is because this free download offer won't last forever. After the promotion, the plugin returns to its paid status, which is 39 USD. It is a golden opportunity to add high-quality neural arm simulator to your free VST collection. Whether you are producing demos, recording guitars, or just experimenting, Lifeline Light Bundle is a versatile tool you shouldn't miss. Now, let me walk you through how to get this plugin. To grab your free copy, head over to the official Excite Audio website or the Plugin Boutique official website where this deal is hosted. Make sure you are signed up or logged in. Then simply download the installer for your platform. If you're using Windows or Mac, follow the instruction prompts and your DAW should recognize it immediately. And don't forget to use the coupon code that I'll also attach here, which you will need to get it for free at checkout. So to sum it up, the Lifeline Light Bundle is a powerful paid quality plugin that is free for a limited time in 2025. Don't sleep on this deal. Download it ASAP if you're interested to step up the quality of your production. Share this video with your musician friends and hit the like button. If you found this video helpful, comment below if you want me to review more limited time free plugins or suggest in the comments other plugin types you would want me to cover. Thanks for watching. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.